Hey there, everybody. Welcome back, my subscribers. Welcome, everybody new tuning in. I am Mr. Sour, and today we are going to be doing a unboxing for a small little grow light here that I plan to use in my, I have a small grow tent that I plan to use this in for the next grow. This is a Elufah. It is powered by a Growpros solution, which is a company out of California. It is a UAP1500. It's a 150 watt light. It's a commercial grade spectrum. It's supposed to have a PPE of 3.0 joules. And if you are interested in this light, you can use the Amazon code of SAVEURCASH, which is a 10% off code. It's all in caps, and that's SAVEURCASH. All caps, like I said, on Amazon. And I do believe that'll go on for the next couple months. So I'm going to go ahead and get into opening this up real quick. I do appreciate all the likes and subscriptions. My channel is pretty much non-profit. The only thing I really get out of it is stuff like this to do grows with, and then after I get the grow done, I will be able to show you the results. Several months down the line, but I will be able to show you the results. So remember to subscribe. Here's some information on the box. And again, packaging looks pretty nice. Okay, so what we got here? I was just saying to use a black light on that to enrich the colors of your grow area, which I'm not too worried about that right at the moment. It does come with a series manual. It does cover normal things that are in the manual, all the different features, safety information, so on and so forth. Okay. And in our first little box here, we should have some connection stuff. This looks like a connection cord if you want to have multiples together. And then we're going to actually have our power cord. That is one of the little boxes out of the way. And on this side, we have hanger stuff. Obviously, we have the hangers for it and some daisy chains to hang it. And then, as you can see, the way it's shipped, it does have this nice foam packing on it. Unfortunately, when my delivery person delivered it, they kind of just like took the box, and they were in my neighbor's yard, and instead of coming into my yard, they just kind of gave it a good old flat flop toss onto my front porch. So hopefully everything is okay. I'm kind of glad this is actually pretty thick, so that might have actually saved it. Let's go ahead and slide it out of here. Okay, so this is the light. It does look like it has a nice waterproof coating on it, which is good in a growing area. We do have the ability here to adjust the power from 20, 40, 60, 80 to 100%. And then we have a full or Epar Boost for, I guess, the light spectrum. I'm guessing the Epar Boost is more of for when it is flowering or blooming, would be my guess based on other grow lights that I've used. This is the other side. We have the data in, data out. So I guess if you were wanting to link, like I said, with that one cord here, other lights into it, you were able to. Take this, actually, set that on there. Don't feel comfortable setting it down directly on the diodes on a hard surface if I do not have to. And if I can here, let's see if I can plug it in. And I bet she's going to be pretty bright for this little bitty light. But we shall see. Okay, so that is the 20%. And that is with the Epar on. Oop. And that is just with the regular spectrum on. So obviously it looks like it adds the IR to it. And then This is probably going to get bright. It probably already is pretty bright. But then this would be 40%, 60%, 80%, and that is all the way on. So you can see it is pretty bright. It looks like it will do the job for 1 or 2 plants, maybe 3 tops. This isn't going to be a big grow room light, but it will definitely work for a smaller area. But there we have it. Like I said, that was the Elufah. I guess that's how that's pronounced. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me on it, but as you can see right there, that is the name of the brand of the light. Again, I do want to thank everybody. I do appreciate all the support. Watching my videos and whatnot. It does, greatly help with getting sponsored items like this, so I can test them and then show you the results in like 3 months or so, roughly. It just depends on, the plant and so on and so forth. I do plan to get a plant started under this today. So after I get that started, it'll be about 3 months, and it will be in the title name when I go to harvest the plant when the time comes. So again, thank you everybody. I really do appreciate the support. I want to thank Tony from Elufah. He had one that contacted me and brought me this opportunity to bring to you. So like I said, if it's something that you're interested in, or you have a small grow space and you prefer what appears to be a fairly good light, I will have the Save Your Cash code. Like again, that was a SAVEURCASH, all in caps. It's a 10% off on Amazon. There will be a link in the description, and I do believe it will be at least for the next 3 months. I don't know exactly for sure how long that code will be good for. The light does run roughly right around about $100, depending, but obviously that may change depending on tariffs and so on and so forth. So if you do want to get one, you might want to act soon, because as we all know, tariffs are something that we as American citizens pay, so not other countries, so it actually hurts us. So but yeah, thanks again everybody. I appreciate the support, and I will see you again on the next video.